How to block someone on Instagram using PC. This tutorial shows you how to block a user on Instagram directly from your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to Instagram.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. At this point, click on the search icon on the left side panel. From there, type in the username of the person you want to block and click on their profile from the results. After that, click on the three dots next to their follow or message button on their profile page In the next step, click on block from the drop-down menu that appears. From there, a confirmation window will pop up. Click on block again to confirm. Once done, the person will be blocked and will no longer be able to see your profile, posts, or send you messages. Following this, if you want to block someone directly from a conversation, click on the messages icon at the top right of Instagram. From there, open the conversation with the person you want to block. At this stage, click on their name at the top of the chat to open their profile details panel. From here, scroll down and click on block, then confirm by clicking on block again. Keep in mind, blocking someone on Instagram does not notify them directly, but they will no longer be able to find your profile, view your content, or message you going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you block someone on Instagram using PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icons for updates. See you in the next one.